Jeepa cake?
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
I'm making a Jeepa.
You make a cake for Jeepa. With lots of love?
I make good.
Oh, it's yummy good. Hold on, let me turn around this side so you can decorate on this side.
I love taking with it. Mama, Jeepa. Mama, be Jeepa.
You want your Jeepa? He's at work.
He did work.
He'll come home in a minute.
Mama, Jeepa, cake.
Really?
It may be good. It may be good.
You're supposed to be decorating, not eating. Make circles like I taught you last night when we're drawing. Oh boy. Leilani, you're supposed to be decorating. Are you eating or decorating? What you doing?
It might be good.
Okay, but we're supposed to be decorating, not eating.
Oh!
Ta-da!
I'm going to talk with it.
Whose cake is that?
It's big.
Who are you making a cake for?
I'm going to take a cake.
Yeah.
Ooh, it might be good.
Uh-oh, you missed. Okay, I think we're all done decorating, aren't we? There's not much icing left on there. Squeeze. Oh, oh. Ah. Look at that. Now squeeze and turn. I think we're done. Say all done. Are you all done? You get to lick it all off the icing now. Oh boy. Oh boy. Say all done. Say love you, Jeepa. Leilani, say love you, Jeepa.
I like you with it.
Okay. Okay, gotta go.